right, got a 1961 FLH. This bike's been together its whole life. It's been restored, but this was not like a bike that people found a frame, an engine, a transmission. This bike's been with all these pieces its whole life. One family owned until I got it. Everything's perfect. The cases, the cylinders, the heads, the transmission, the frame. It's all mint. 20,000 original miles on the original speedometer. Barely any reproduction at all. Exhaust. You know, that's basically it. The generator's been changed, but I have the original one. Other than that, this is a real deal bike that's been together its whole life. Bone stock internals, just all rebuilt, new bearings, original crank, all that. So a couple prime kicks, and this baby should light right up. All the lights work. I mean, this is a really special bike. It's hard to find a bike that's been together like this its whole life and then just, you know, restored and brought back. Oh. Freezing cold outside and the bike's freezing cold. Otherwise it starts up first kick every time. The blinkers work perfect and they got the factory switch in the handlebar. Now it's warmed up. See if it quits making a jackass out of me. It's literally 35 degrees out, so. Come on, you.